vending machine.
Too crinkly. Try again. Still too crinkly. You look funny.
Don't think I like your attitude, vending machine. Or your prices. Release them.
Truly?
Did you say cupcake ATM?
I read about it. In Los Angeles, there's a pink ATM, and it dispenses all kinds of cupcakes 24 hours a day.
Knowing that we have visitors coming here, we wanted to give them a souvenir to take home that represents part of our culture. And this time of the year, that is definitely snow.